About 2 months ago, we set ourselves a challenge, and because it was something we had never done before, so for us it was a very big challenge. So, as part of our long term goal, which is to build a big system, could we start with designing and building a functional robotic hand within just a few weeks? And here's what we came up with. Honestly, for a first version, it exceeded a lot of our expectations. But as soon as we started testing it, we realized something every engineering project eventually teaches you at some point, and that is that your first version is never your final version. Hi everyone, my name is Ushomo, and over the next few videos, I'll be taking you through the journey from the first version, which is version 1, to the next version, which is version 2 of our prototype. We are going to look at what worked, what didn't, the lessons we learned from the design, the materials we chose, and the improvements we are making to create an even better version. Because um, engineering something isn't really about building something once, then you give it as a final product. It's about learning from your mistakes, correcting those mistakes, as well as identifying areas on your project or your product where you can make improvements to enhance efficiency. It's about learning from every iteration and using those lessons to build something even way better. So before we start redesigning anything, let's take a closer look at what version 1 of the robotic hand is. So, for a project that was designed and built in just a few weeks, we're actually pretty happy with what we achieved. More importantly, we are happy with everything that version 1 taught us, because the goal was never just to build a robotic hand. The goal was to learn, test ideas, discover what works, identify what doesn't, and use those lessons to create something even better. And that's exactly where we are right now. We have a much clearer understanding of the design, a much clearer understanding of the challenges, and a much better idea of where we want to take this project. So, in the next episode, uh, we are going to begin the design journey to version 2. We are going to start redesigning some of the key components. We're going to revisit some design decisions and explore improvements that could have a significant impact on the overall performance of the hand. So I know the question is, even the question to myself actually is, will every change we are going to make work as we or I expect? Probably not, but that's part of the process, right? And honestly, that's what makes engineering exciting. So for now, this is version 1, which is the foundation, and it's the proof to us and to me that the idea can work. So the next step is making it even way better. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.